Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Nintendo account to access online gaming features and the eShop, follow these step-by-step instructions for a smooth verification process. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Nintendo account website. Alternatively, you can verify through the Nintendo Switch console itself. Step 2. Log into your Nintendo account using your registered email address and password. Step 3. After logging in, Nintendo will automatically send a verification email to your registered email address if your account hasn't been verified yet. Step 4. Check your email inbox for the verification message from Nintendo. The subject line will typically read, "Please verify your email address," or similar. Step 5. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This link will redirect you to the Nintendo website and automatically verify your email address. Step 6. If accessing from a console, you may need to enter a verification code. Navigate to your Switch settings, select Users, then User Settings, and look for the verification option. Step 7. Once verified, you can now access all Nintendo online services, including the eShop, cloud saves, and multiplayer features. Step 8. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings to protect your Nintendo account from unauthorized access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.